Okay, I'm about to go back to the old apartment. I have a couple of days. Today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, I got to turn the keys in by Tuesday the 30th. And this is our porch now, looking pretty full. Movers just brought me back from the old apartment yesterday with the majority of my stuff that I wasn't feeling like trying to bring by myself. Baby is on timeout. Yeah, bad girl, bad girl. I'm mad at you. Instead of her using her pee pad, which is right there, she decides to use one of my rugs I had over here. The cutest one. It's in the washing machine now. I grabbed it, threw it in the washing machine. But I know, I understand, so I got a lot of stuff brought from yesterday, my movers. Still out here, brought the table, heavy iron table. Obviously, I could not carry this by myself. It's pretty heavy. Still got containers, plastic tubs, etc., 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 of things I'll eventually get to. A couple of boxes. Back there's a couple of boxes of stuff. Here's a big box of stuff I started going through. And again, I'll be getting to work on all this eventually. But now I need to go finish working on cleaning up, emptying out. And thank you all for watching. Thank you all who have been kind of like knowing a little bit, watching what's been going on with the different challenges, emergencies, and things, and setbacks. Thank you so much for those of you who are aware and you know and you've been praying, sending me wonderful encouragement. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I didn't want to drag this thing. My power plate. So temporarily it's right out here. I can't use it out here because I don't have a cord long enough to, you know. Well, actually, I do have cords. I just don't want to necessarily try that right now. The cord for it is up there and it's way so too short. I do have power utility cords long enough to take inside the house. One day I would like to see if I could get an outlet put out here somewhere. There is an outlet on the back area, but it's right at the back door. Like, what am I supposed to plug up back there? I don't know, electric grill maybe. I'm not sure. But anyway, so thanks again, you all, for all your wonderful prayers and good greetings and encouraging words of affirmation and positive thoughts. And I love all of you. I love YouTube. I love all YouTubers, especially small YouTubers like myself. And I'm thanking God that I have beautiful scenery so that even though, like right now, I'm still working like an Egyptian slave, I'm working on my things, my projects, my life, my timetable, my schedule. So, and I pray that for all who would like to do that. I moved away from the city. I'm kind of far out, but that's okay. So someone expressed concern about that. Matter of fact, my mover did yesterday. You're so far out, B. Well, you know, we're okay. And we're members of MASA. What is that? Medical Air Service Association? MASA? Anyway, lifetime members of MASA. If we need to be airlifted somewhere, you know, call them or dial 911 and have them take us away. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Over and out. Y'all stay safe, peace, and stay blessed. Blessings. I'll be back, God willing.